React.js Technical Questions, Entry-Level Edition. What is React and why is it commonly used? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It's commonly used for its declarative syntax, component-based architecture, and efficient virtual DOM.
Explain the concept of JSX in React.
JSX, JavaScript XML, is a syntax extension for JavaScript used in React to describe what the UI should look like. It looks similar to XML HTML but gets transpiled to JS.
How does React handle state, and what is the role of setState?
React uses state to manage mutable data in a component. SetState is a method used to update the state of a component, triggering a re-render when the state changes.
What are props in React, and how are they different from state?
Props, short for properties, are used to pass data from a parent component to a child component. Props are immutable, and they cannot be changed within the component.
What is the significance of the key attribute in React lists?
The key attribute is used to uniquely identify and differentiate between elements in a list, helping React efficiently update and render components when the list changes.
Explain the component lifecycle methods in React.
React component lifecycle methods include component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount, allowing developers to perform actions at different stages.
How does React handle events, and what is the difference between synthetic events and native events?
React uses synthetic events to normalize browser inconsistencies. They are instances of the synthetic event wrapper, providing a consistent interface for handling events.
What is the purpose of React hooks?
React hooks are functions that allow functional components to manage state and lifecycle features, providing a way to use state and side effects in functional components.
How would you handle forms in React, and what is controlled versus uncontrolled components?
Controlled components are forms elements whose value is controlled by React state. Uncontrolled components allow the DOM to handle the form's state.
What are React fragments, and when might you use them?
React fragments are used to group multiple elements without adding extra nodes to the DOM. They are useful when you don't want to introduce unnecessary parent elements.